walk around with me. Yeah. Yeah. So, hello friends, this is Gautam Koluri from CIP Study Abroad. So, a great day today. I finally get to see all our CIP students here in Kitchener, Waterloo. We are here at the Bombay Cuisine Restaurant, one of the finest Indian restaurants here. And thank you for all of you to, joining us. So, yes, Krishna, Nikki, can you hold this better? Yeah. Yeah, please, Surjit. Yeah, you have to talk a bit loudly.
Hi.
Yes.
Is it audible?
Yeah.
Get up so that I can see everyone. Hi everyone. My
From the
name is
front.
Sujit. I am here.
front.
I'm pursuing supply chain management at Conestoga Doon, and I am here since January. I did my first course at Humber, project management. So I really take this opportunity to thank you, sir. I tell you guys that I am married. I have 10 years of work experience, and my case was so weak that most of the colleges just rejected on the grounds that I have a lot of study gap. But he's one person, and his team is one great team, who actually take this initiative and ensure that I will get in here. So coming here on a student visa, pursuing 2 courses, that too after such a study gap, so they helped me, in a great way that I created my SOP and I got through, every time in the first step. So when he invited us here today, so it was like firm that whatever my plans would be for Saturday, I will definitely cancel and I will take this opportunity to meet him. And sir, let me tell you one thing, that you and your team is doing amazing job, because you're building dreams of us. As you rightly said, that a lot of people would have been dreaming this for years, but they don't get this opportunity. So you have actually made it possible for most of us, and you are not just a part of our journey. Our journey is starting from you in Canada, and I think they will agree. You are the stepping stone for us in Canada. So thank you so much. I will not take much of your
Sure.
time.
See, to be honest, Surinder, you have an excellent profile. It's just because of the age gap, there is a bit of a concern. But Humber is one of the best colleges, and you are accepted in Humber. It shows that you have an excellent profile. And I told you as well, you have great academics and also very good communication skills, and you should shoot for stars. Yes, it is difficult, but again, you have your husband, you have your child here, and you have your relatives here in Kitchener. So great job, and thank you very much for coming
Thank you,
today.
sir. Thank you so
Sure.
much.
Hello everyone, my name is Vipula. I am from Pune, Maharashtra, and I am currently studying Information Technology Business Analyst course in Doon campus, Conestoga. So actually I was 2-3 years before coming over here, I was searching for an agency which could help me get the right college and to get through the visa process, and I should get the right opportunity. So sir has helped me a lot in every step, though his team is not there in Maharashtra. He has teams in, I think, offices in Gujarat and Surat and everywhere, but his team made sure that I am not left isolated over there, and he guided me in every step, right from the college selection till the visa process completes. Thank you, sir, for that.
Many people are,
Again, for everybody of you, it's again, I've had an opportunity. Some of you I might not have spoken extensively, but some of you I know all your life journey. And Vipula, I am very proud of you because she's from Pune, and she comes from a very rural family. Her dad is from a farming background, and she's been through a lot of personal life. And I'm so happy that you took the courage, you trusted. I remember there's a lot of hesitation from your part initially, right? You were thinking a lot, talking, should I go or not? And finally you made it. And I'm glad that you're working hard. You're in Cambridge, not far from here, and you're working in Burger King's, right?
Yeah.
So that's nice. She's an IT professional. I'm sure once you finish your studies, you will be at least making 80 to 100K. It's just, yeah, so it should be fine. Thank you very much. And
Thanks a lot, sir.
great pleasure of meeting you in person.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Please.
Hi, I'm Rishita. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. So I'm currently pursuing web development and design in Conestoga Doon campus. And thank you, sir, for letting me come here. Yeah, that's it. Thanks.
Sure.
Hi all, I'm Nikhil Sripati. I'm from Hyderabad. I'm studying web design in Doon campus. I'm from Main Tech. So the SIP team has really helped me a lot during the pandemic and during all the process. I really appreciate it, sir. And it's great pleasure to have to meet with you. And I'm very honored. And I'm glad that we all met in one stage. I'm very happy to be there.
Thank you very much. Thank you, man.
Thank
It's a
you so
pleasure
much.
as well.
Thank you.
As I always say, it's so nice to finally see our WhatsApp group and Facebook group, at least some part of it here in person finally. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, this is Satvik. I am from Nalgonda, Telangana. But I recently moved from United States to here. Don't think that I didn't get H1 approved. I still have my work permit still 2 years, but it's my personal interest. I moved to Canada. I mean, everyone has their own reasons.
Yeah, we recently had a big discussion in the Facebook group recently as well. Yes, Canada, it's a very peaceful country, and when it comes to the green card, a permanent resident, it's definitely much better than the US. So, well done. It's a good decision.
Yeah, so I've been working over there last 2 years. So, and yeah, I'm happy that one of my friends referred CIP. And one thing I have to say that most of the educational consultancies always think about money is the first priority, but I honestly say CIP never did that, and they always make sure that each and every student reaches their goals. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Satvik. Yes. It's simple logic for any service when you are a service provider. End of the day, we are successful because, if you are successful, we are successful. And if you are happy, right, you will refer your friends, your family, and that will really help us on the long run. And that is basically, one thing what I really learned in my life, money is just numbers. The more you think about money, the less you make it. That's a reality.
That's a take-home advice. The more you think about money, the less you earn.
Yes.
Hi all, my name is Urvesh and I'm from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. I worked for around 3 years in Hyderabad, and I got 3 rejections for USA. And I was when I was applying for Canada, I was so afraid, and I don't know, I have history for rejections, right? So I don't know, but CIP team helped me a lot. Anil sir and Sushil, they helped me throughout the whole process, and it went very smooth. And I'm really thankful for every team, the whole team, and Gautam sir for helping me out to reach here. Thank you.
Hold the microphone a bit close.
Hello everyone, my name is Pradeep. I am from Warangal, Telangana. Currently I am pursuing a design development course in Conestoga. Thank you Gautam College sir for making me to reach Canada and your kind words. It's very pleasurable to meet you in person. Thank you.
See, you are super special to me because let me have say you're from my hometown. I'm from Warangal.
Hi, my name is Bliss. I'm from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. I'm currently doing my construction project management at Canada. So, thank you for having me here.
Thank you, Blaise. Pleasure having you here.
So, hi, I'm Durgashri. I'm from Web Design and Development.
Can you put the microphone?
Yeah, I'm from Web Design and Development. So, Sandeep sir, Anil sir, and Chaitanya sir helped me in processing my application. And I'm happy for that, and thank you for having me here.
Did you see Sandeep? Do you know where he is? Okay, this is Sandeep. Yes, Sandeep, my team got a bit. Yes, please. So let me introduce my team here, please. Nihilji, come here. Nihilji, he is Nihilji. He is our manager for Surat. He is a very handsome guy. He is actually from pharmacy background. He's graduated regulatory affairs this year. Next year he'll be graduating. He helped me with my Surat office. Very nice. I have a very warm relationship with him. He's a very hardworking person. So many of your PR applications he'll be taking care of, right?
Yes. And
I think that is Sandeep. Come here.
that is. So yeah, Sandeep is a very helpful, but he's a very shy, and but he is
Super fast with all the applications and everything what we have done today. He's been with me in India, in my Hyderabad office. He came here. Sandeep, very special story with Sandeep as well. Sandeep actually, he applied through some agency and his visa was refused, and he comes from my same area. So then he called me one day. He got my number through one of our common contacts, and he said, I got my visa refused. He's from ECE background, and some local sub-agent advised him to apply for global business management. So his visa was refused. That was like about 4 years ago. So he's already graduated. He's working full time now, but he contacted me, and then I asked him, Sandeep, come to the office, sit out, learn. You will not only be able to, get visa for yourself, but you will help many other people in this journey. And he trusted me, and he came to Canada finally, and is working here and also an IT job training now. So Sandeep, please.
Yes.
Hi guys. Thanks for giving the opportunity, sir. Even నేను ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాను స్టూడెంట్ లాగానే వచ్చాను. బేసిక్ ఐ కేమ్ హియర్ as a student. I graduated recently from Lambton College this September from wireless networking, and it's been like 3 years working in the industry like CIP, and Gautam sir is like, he gave me a lot of opportunity for me from the beginning to the right now. Just because of him, I'm here in front of you guys. Thank you.
And Sandeep, thank you.
Surjit, right?
Surjit.
Even I can't remember your names at all. I know like Rajesh Parmar, Surjit, most of the people. Yeah, I
You are one person who is our first point in contact. So after sir, we reach out to you, and I don't know why he's feeling shy right now in talking. Once he talks on call and on messages, he's so proactive, he's so fast, and so clear in his speech. Total personality change.
I would also, virtual life. We are so much used to virtual, and when we are seeing the first time all the people. Yeah.
This is a great platform for letting people open up.
Exactly. Yes. I mean, he's very good. He's just feeling guilty because he's 1.5 hours late. My team actually is coming from Toronto and they're late, so he's a bit. But all good. Late to here.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, please.
Hi all, I'm Vishwanath. I'm from Chennai. I'm doing project management. I should thank Shibin. He processed my application after 10 years of experience. I got that with his help. Thanks sir, thanks a lot.
Sibin unfortunately seems to be at Europe. He should be here in about 5 minutes, so you can meet him in person. Yes, please.
Hello guys, this is Pratham Shetty. I'm from Mangalore. So I visited a couple of consultants. The experience wasn't good. Then later my friend recommended Gautam sir and his team. So I've been working with Sibin, Nikhil and Anil sir. So it was like closely to Anil once Sibin left India. I'd spoken once to Anil sir, to Nikhil, but to Gautam sir it was like more than I can't say. It's like at midnight 3 I call and he's answering the call to speak with me.
Not really. I used to definitely, yeah.
Pratham is from Bangalore. He is from the land of Aishwarya Rai. He is Zulu, and I remember the
First time when I spoke to him, he was always very, very worried. He was always worried. Now he is confident, he is settled down, and lots of messages in the Conestoga group if you were there. So that was Pratham, and he used to message me like 12:30, 1 o'clock in the night. But I'm glad he made it.
More than he and his team, he was there for me mentally when I needed support after coming here as well. He took time from his busy schedules to meet me, to help me sort things out over here. So I'm glad I came through him to Canada, and my journey has been started with him and his team support. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
And I'm studying at Conestoga with Applied Manufacturing Management Mechatronics course for September 2021. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Again, I saw you from the day first you landed. You had issues with your housing, and Nikki, one of our students, was helpful in hosting you for a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
And we were able to find, and then you found 2 jobs or 3 jobs now, right? You worked in different jobs, and you're more comfortable now with everything what's happening. Well done. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi everyone, hi sir. It's really good. I'm happy to meet you finally in person. My name is Swagat. I'm from Odisha, and after one refusal, referrals, and few consultancy later, I landed with Gautam sir. He helped me a lot. So thank you so much, and have a good time.
Swagat, I didn't recognize you, to be honest. It is really a pleasure. I think we actually had an initial refusal, right?
Yeah.
Right? First time we had a refusal, then we reapplied, and then we got your visa. Great pleasure, especially from Orissa. There are very few students. I think we had only about 4 or 5. Orissa and obviously Bihari Babu, Bihar. Very few people really venture out of the box, and I'm so glad that you took this decision. And I follow you on your Facebook, and I like your posts. You are always going around, taking and enjoying your life, working hard. Thank you very much, Sagar. Nice to meet you.
Hello everyone, my name is Prabhu here. I'm from Bangalore. So initially I had a doubt because I was doing back there in Bangalore, Tata Accountancy course. I was doing that, so I was pretty confused with that, already the opportunities and everything. So I spoke to Gautam sir on FB Live once, and he actually made it clear, and he encouraged me to apply for some of the courses. So I actually applied only for one course, and 2 courses, and in only one college, and that was pretty late actually. For September course, I applied in May, and CIP helped me a lot to get into the course, and here I am. And I'm coming from Toronto all the way from Toronto to you all, and
Thank you very much. All the way from Toronto, we actually had a few parties together. Thank you very much for coming all the way here and
I would actually thank Sibin also, because he was the one person who actually doing that.
Yes, he's actually somewhere out there thinking, should I come inside or not, because he's too much. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My journey towards Canada started like 2 years back with Gautam sir. I still remember my first message to him when I messaged him, sir, can I get some job in Canada? Can you refer me to some job? And he said, no, Vijay, don't waste your time. Please, if you come here, you will earn like 100K a year. What he said became true to me, because I came on a dependent visa in this year March, and my wife is a student in Lambton College. She's doing her mobile application design and development program. And after coming here, after a month, I got a job in SAP. I'm working as a DevOps engineer in SAP. So I've been blessed. He gave me the correct, the path to come here. Everyone who is here, I think the ultimate path will be to become a permanent resident. That is the ultimate goal we have in our mind. So I think maybe through his guidance, I may achieve it very soon. The next year in 2022, that's what I hope. And I want to mention one more person here. That is my friend Rahman. And he's very supportive, and he's very, in the group, and we talk a lot, and he helps other people a lot. I know him. So I got my spouse open work permit in 1 month actually. That was like, by God's grace. I I'm thankful to you, sir, and it was pleasure coming here, meeting all these students, and it means a lot. Thank you for everything.
Vijay, pleasure as well. It's a pleasure. Vijay, I do remember Vijay. I'm happy that Vijay, you know this decision to come here. Probably the salary was a little low. I should have told you 125 or 150, but still 100 was okay to start with.
Exactly.
Yes, yeah. And thanks, Vijay. I remember, sometimes it's difficult to be honest, to be talking all day. And Vijay used to love to call me all the time, and sometimes I was really busy with something, so not in that sense. And again, study visa, spousal work permit, this is not really rocket science. It's basically when you're doing it for the first time, you feel a bit intimidated. But I think Vijay applied, Rahman, right? Very nice people out here, and finally Sibin had the courage to come inside. This is Sibin. So Vijay, I'm glad that you take this opportunity and come here. Thank you very much.
One more to add actually. So when I told sir, I want to tell everyone maybe. He told me, I told sir, do you have anyone to write SOP? I told him, but when I called him directly on the Zoom call, he said, no Vijay, you have to write your own story to get your visa, because that is your life, that is in your hands. I still remember that was a night call, maybe it's morning here, but it was night in the India. I still remember I wrote my SOP for like 2 days, every line, bit by bit, and I sent to Anil, and he like, it's absolutely good. And then I finalized my application, and then I submitted my application to them. It was, thank you for everything.
Thanks Vijay as well. Thanks for your trust. Sushmita, I think Sushmita also wants to say something.
Yeah, Sushmita.
Yeah.
I'm glad my husband came here.
Thank you, that's nice. Yes, very, very true for all the students out here. It's always easy to be tempted to do something which is a shortcut. But again, end of the day, it is very important. Statement of purpose. In Canada, we don't really have documents and interview. So statement of purpose is the most important document. And when you go to a street, SOP writer, you have standard and that's not very important. For every of you, that is where you have best of these officers are not really so anything which you can write which shows your strengths, your journey is what is important. And luckily, we are from India, right? All the Indian students. The government of Canada appreciates Indian students, and the visa approval rate is 70%. So if you have good academics and a basic SOP, your visa will be approved. Right? Yes, thank you.
You skipped?
Hi everyone, so I am Ali and I am from Karachi, Pakistan. And firstly, I just want to say thanks to Gautam sir for launching CIP in Pakistan, because there are many consultants in Pakistan which are offering the visa, but none of them are actually affiliated with university or colleges. So it was nice working with them. And also, I just want to take the name of Hassan, who is managing the whole application of Pakistan. So I want to say thanks.
Great pleasure to be honest. I have Pakistan, right? We all brothers from Pakistan. I was really looking forward to meet Sohail and Wahadi here. For me, to be honest, being born and brought up in India, and since I started Pakistan with Arsalan, guys, you are fabulous. Whatever we saw in the movies is nonsense. Whatever the politics is nonsense. Some of the best students I had, I had the privilege of talking, guys. You are so good studies-wise and everything, and especially the Urdu what you speak is so much lovely. It is so nice and it is so warm. Like I had many friends in Pakistan, but again I started working with Pakistani students. Guys, you are great, and I'm so happy. I hope that our politicians and the movies can kill all the crap and
bring the reality, right? And recently, one of my students, Anjali, her dad was an ambassador with the Pakistan, and in her statement of purpose, she said the same thing. So, politics aside, what we see in the movie, Pakistani people were the most lovable people she has actually ever met. So thank you guys, and if you don't win the lottery, I have 2 watches for you, possible watches for you and for your friends.
I'm Sohil, and I'm pursuing mobile solution development here at Conestoga Waterloo. And also I'm doing CIP team, and especially Gautam sir and Aslan sir for making my process and my application easier to come in Canada and start studying. So big thanks to you. And your
Thank you, Sohil. Thank you. You guys came here, you settled down, you started working here. Couldn't meet you early, but thank you very much for joining me. And thank you very much. You had the courage to come all over Pakistan. Lower visa refusal rate compared to India, but you didn't make it. And you found your housing, you found a job, you're studying, you're working hard. Looking forward to having you here. Thank you very much.
Hi guys, my name is Teja. Currently I am studying Data Solution Architecture. So before I started my Canadian journey, I had visited multiple consultancies. Then I took a break, and a few of my friends from different circles suggested CIP. So I was wondering,
Give it to somebody. Give it to one of them. Ask them. You want me to take? Sure.
I came in 21 September, and from there it's going good. It's all online now. Hopefully, at least I will have 1 semester offline. I don't think it will be happening soon. All the virus period. So now I thank you, Gautam sir. I should thank you for the moment where you helped the students beginning of the pandemic during distributing the essential groceries. So it
thank you.
I had never came across a search forum at Facebook for the consultancy group from the industry who are actively providing the updates and answering the questions of the students. For data specialties. So it's at least in a day, overnight, maybe at least 100 questions will be answered by you. So it keeps us also updated with what's going on with the different kinds of profiles. I highly appreciate what you're doing. We'll be looking forward to it in the future.
Hello everyone, I'm Rajesh Verma, and I'm from Baroda. I was living in the United States for like 8 years, and I did my master's from York University as well. After that, I started looking for to come into the Canada for peaceful life and peaceful mind, and I came to contact in CIP with Gautam sir and Sandeep. Actually, Gautam sir helped me a lot to come to here. He told me hey Rajesh, don't be confused, just take a path and get an admission here. You look like any college which you suggest, and I thought it is a good idea to come over here. I got my good decision over here, and especially Sandeep and Gautam sir both helped me a lot in many situations. Right? So I thought the CIP is not just a consultancy, but it is like a family. Everyone who are here is because of the CIP, and it's not just a consultancy. Because consultancy,
I agree with you.
Yeah, consultancy is just doing that work hey, I just took your money, did this work, and you come here, and they forget. But he is a family. He always remember everyone, even though they are not right now with the CIP. So my great pleasure to meet all of you, especially Sandeep, Gautam sir, and all of the team. Okay, and they'll thank you. They'll thank you so much.
Yes, whoever agree with this part, just have a clap, please.
Again, Congratulations on your wedding. We had a very interesting journey with Rajesh. You know, I'm very happy that he had a second opportunity. He was in the US. He was very frustrated with the H-1B and the green card, and we did apply for his, study here. And he actually went home, got married, and came back. So everything worked out well.
Everything worked well, and actually right now I'm working in a very good firm. So anyone who needs my support for anything, let me know. I'm a senior software engineer, and I'm working with a very good company right now. And I can just go meet you guys because you are my study right now, and after 2 years you graduated, right? And you are a path, you are my good career over here. But at any glance, you need support. I'm here always, and I'll be with CIP all the time. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Hello, hi Gautam sir, hello CIP team. Hi guys. So I'm Satyam and I'm from Dehradun, Uttarakhand, India, and I'm staying here in Coniston College, Mobile Solution Development. Back at home, I have around 7 to 8 years experience into software development, and here I'm right now into second semester. So initially, when I started this journey, there was a thought in my mind that why we should choose an agency, right? We can apply by ourselves. But trust me, guys, like after choosing the agency and like going through the process, I really understood the real meaning that okay, we definitely need the situation. Like we come in a situation where we get stuck in our education. Then definitely Gautam sir and Sandeep sir and I applied to Hyderabad. At that point of time, I was working in Hyderabad, so I applied from there. I worked with Anil sir, Sushi sir. They are really great. They helped me a lot. So thank you so much, Gautam.
Yeah, thank you very much. You know, it was very fortunate that you were in Hyderabad, and I think you're sitting beside the right person, right? So he has 7 years of work experience, and he's already working as a senior software engineer. And we actually have many other students who are from Delhi and from North India who graduated from Conestoga, and many of them have jobs. Like if for all the professionals out here who had 3 to 5 years of work experience in IT, guys, no issues at all. You will have a job as soon as you graduate. I asked one of my students from Varun, I think. Yes, I told him what was the most difficult after graduation. He said there's a lot of demand in IT, even with the current pandemic situations. He said, "Sir Gautam sir, the biggest challenge was like I had about 6 offers and everybody were giving me offers, and I didn't really know who to choose, because like when they started with 85 or 90 and ended up with 105. So I'm sure everything will be okay. Thank you very much.
I came here for my friends also come here to see the CIP students and get to know the network and everything. So I would like to thank Gautam sir for arranging this and getting to know everyone. By seeing the testimonies of every student here, I think that students who have come from you have a really great scope of pursuing what they need to establish what they want. And I think joining this network is a great opportunity for me to grow as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Claps once again, please. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. I just wanted a minute to introduce Sibin. He is the manager for Kerala team, a very special person to me, right? Ups and downs, we argue, we have sometimes ups and downs, but he is very special. Sibin, like one of you, everybody in a CIP team has a special story. These are not just people who joined us because of work, but they trusted as well. So Sibin was in Germany when he contacted me. That was 4 years ago, and he called me and said, Gautam sir, I want to study masters in a university for my wife, but she had a 3 years bachelor. So he called me, and we actually had his wife studying York University for accounting program. And when he returned back from Germany, I asked him, Sibin, now you're in Germany, back in India, do you have any job? So he said, no sir, okay, then let's start our Kochi office. So he helped me look for the Kochi office. He put in a lot of time and effort helping us build our Kochi office, and he came here on a spouse of in work permit. Took some time, but he finally made it. So welcome Sibin, and yes.
Yeah, thank you. I personally, I truly believe that each and every person in the CIP team, closer. So each in our CIP team, like they have a story, and that's special. That's beautiful connection. Even I only not handle Kerala actually. I only not handle Kerala. I handle many other, For example, since she's also from Delhi, she's one of, that's a beautiful experience from all over India. I handle everybody actually. So from here, I wish you one of the best futures. We have to work hard, really hard, believe me. And currently, I still work with the CIP University. I have got an opportunity with the UPS itself as an international admin, still in the aviation. That's what I study, Masters in Aviation. And I truly believe you work hard, the dreams will come true. Matter of time.
Thank you, Sivan. So I really wanted to add up here, we have kind of the same story, like our family stories. And we used to have hours of discussions, especially my husband and Sivan. So it's like so good to see you. And I was asking him, where's Sivan? I want to see him. I just sent him a message to see you. And like, we're thankful.
You also want to say?
Oh my God.
Yusuf.
Many people, this is the first time I'm seeing all of your faces, truly. I have spoken to you on the phone, but this is the first time it's an experience,
It's like blind dating when you're virtually dating and when you come and see the person you're dating, same for us as well. After talking so many
This is the
times,
same thing.
and when you come here the first time, so it's for all of us great pleasure.
This is the icebreaking meeting.
This is the icebreaking meeting, and where you get to know that we are simple people like you, right? When you see the Facebook, you like with the Lord, but we all have our lives and we all have our lives. Yes, thank you, Sunil. Yes.
I'm currently doing.
Speak a bit loudly, please.
Vaishnav. I'm currently doing web design and development course from Conestoga Tour campus. It was a great journey pursuing with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaishnav. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sai. I did process quality engineering in Conestoga College. First, I did my course in Francia. Then, I also got helped me to get admission in Conestoga. So, I will put me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Friends, to be frank, I am not from this consultancy. Actually, I came here to meet Gautam sir. From the day when my friend used to say that Gautam sir has come from our Telangana in the 1990s, Ukraine to Pakistan, Pakistan to India, Pakistan to Canada, sorry. Actually, I was in some XYZ consultancy in Hyderabad. They charged me around 15,000. They didn't process anything. They just applied for visa and everything. And actually my study parking is going to expire this December. I called them to, can you help me to extend that? They said that our job is done. You are already in Canada. We can't help that. And so 1 week back, my friend got a mail from your consultancy that they are arranging a party and gathering of students. At the beginning also, when we are in Canada, we didn't got room actually. We got help from the CIP group. Few of the students and colleagues have help us. So I decided to come here to meet you. And after listening all these stories here, I feel regret why I missed this consultancy. And I surely promise sir, I want to refer my juniors and friends for this consultancy to the next step.
Thank you very much. Yeah, I really appreciate it. As I always say, your journey study abroad does not end after getting your visa. Your first step when you come here, that is when your life starts. And we are not a very big company, but we still try to help. We have a team and here, we try to make things very affordable, even for the legal services for CRP students. Right, I'm an RCIC and we try to help. The only thing what I advise is, for example, for non-CRP students, for PR I think we charge $1,500, and for work permit or PGWT we charge about $150 or $250. For CIP students we have a small one-time consultation fees, but that is why to have our Sandeep and Nihal and Sivan keep motivated. So when they help you and if you pay a consultation fee of $250 per PR, that goes to them as an incentive so that they are motivated to talk to you. Otherwise, they said, sir, I'm not getting anything. I'm getting my basic minimum salary. Why should I talk? So it's more from an incentive side for them. Yeah. So thank you very much. I'm very, I appreciate you coming all the way here.
And I want to thank you, Sandeep sir, that I already spoke to him. I said that I'm not from Kalsari, can I attend? He said, okay, you can come with your friend and you can meet.
Sure. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Uman. I'm from Hyderabad and I'm pursuing wireless network infrastructure in Conestoga College. Like everyone, I have few up and downs in the life. Like I have 4 rejections in the US and 1 rejection for the Canada. Then I really like to thank especially Anil sir from CIP consultancy. Like his suggestions made me to stand here to talk with everyone and to visit Canada to get my study permit. And also the CIP consultancy, their team helped me a lot to process the application. I need to thank Sushil sir and Akila ma'am to process my application. So I really thank to giving me the opportunity to stand here and talk and meeting the new friends, making new friends here. Thank you.
Thank you very much. You're very important. 4 refusals.
Yeah.
Every refusal is a pain. I think I remember. I had traveled to over 25 countries, and I had, I think 2 of my passports, Indian passports, actually filled up with visas and travel histories. But I did have my disappointments as well. I applied for the US visa back in 94. I went to UK, and then I think when I first applied for Czechoslovakia, I was refused visa for a conference, right? But after that, it was very painful. So I can understand 4 times user refusal is definitely painful, and adding a drop on it, Canada refusal is still super painful. But I'm glad that you are, cherishing this opportunity here, and thanks for applying. And end of the day, end of the day, to be honest, it is God's blessing to you, right? I had my opportunity, and God blessed me with such an opportunity, and I'm trying to give back. And to you as well, do justice to your parents. First to yourself, you have great opportunity to study well, and make a good career here. So welcome to Canada.
Hello everyone, hi sir, and I'm Uma Maheshwari, and I'm doing my project management from Conestoga College, and I will be taking the next course, supply chain management in the same college, and I'm from Hyderabad, and I would like to say a special thanks to CIP and Anil sir if you are seeing this live video, and a special thanks to you as well, because you guided me very well in each and every step of mine, because I have a lot of education gap, and I thought I wouldn't get a chance of visa or getting into Canada, and yeah, you helped me in all the ways that you could help me. And after coming here, and Gautam sir was always there for me from the day one. He gave me a video call, and he guided me as a family member to me here, and I feel that he's a great support to me in Canada, because I don't have a single friend in Canada. Even now I don't have any friend. I'm here since 4 months. So yeah, I faced so many difficulties and hard times here in Canada. Hopefully I'll just survive and get through all these things, and I'm doing this all because of my family and for my kid. Hopefully I'll succeed, and yeah, hopefully I'll be a PR here, and I'll be happy finally with the help of you sir. Thank you so much.
We are all here, and we actually moved to now to Kitchener, so we are welcome to my home. I told you last time as well, you said, no, I'll come to the party. I asked you to come to my home.
Yes, sir.
So please, again, don't feel, I know I was actually, when I came in, and also I was saying, our middle class women from India never even walked out alone in the evening. They are traveling all the way, such a great sacrifice, leaving your children, leaving your husbands, coming here in a strange country with all strangers. I mean, thankfully Canada, every 3rd person is an Indian here, so we don't really feel after this. Yeah, but still, but it's a great effort from you. Thank you. And I told you from the day one, you used to call me in your Facebook group, like, we have you covered. Don't worry about anything. From your, when it comes to money, I told you, if you don't have any issues, we'll support you. I'm here. And even after PR, if you have any issues, if you need any help, right? If you have any difficulties in finding a job and if you need to get things for your husband, I will put you as a CIP employee and we will support you as well. So don't worry about it. Take care.
Sir, thank you so much. And I'm very happy that I'm taking a part in the party today and so glad that I'm meeting so many friends here. Thank you so much. Hi, my name is Amrita. I'm from Mumbai and I'm currently pursuing SGPM course from Conestoga. And I have not interacted much, but my husband, he has interacted much with Adipa and Akhila and I guess Anil sir as well. So he has been the main inspiration for sending me to Canada. We had refusal, we had actually got, I had got admission in New Zealand, but due to pandemic, everything was closed and then we spoke to you guys and we took the decision to come to Canada. So thank you so much and hoping that my kid and my husband come soon here.
Amrita, pleasure. I still remember talking to you and your husband back in the night. You had your son and it was like 12 o'clock in the night when we were talking. Yes, I'm glad you made that journey all the time and I still remember your husband. What I could definitely advise you, unfortunately, it's two sides of the pandemic and also two sides of what the Canadian government and also what we have. Because of the pandemic, it doesn't really make sense to bring in open work permit holders, right? Canada has to first safeguard its citizens and also the health conditions. So, open.
The concern was with the kid.
Yes. So what we could do now is, I will have Sanjay connect with him. You can apply for the spouse visitor visa for your husband.
So actually, update his medical has been updated. So just hoping.
Anytime now.
Yeah, it's just month back. Medical has been updated. So just hoping it gets soon.
Sure. Let me know. Ask him to connect with me.
Sure. I'll definitely. He was trying to see the live video.
Yeah, it's all live on Facebook and
he is
Instagram.
trying to see it.
I'm sure you can give him a flying yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Yatharth. I'm from Delhi. I'm doing big data architecture from and technically the story I started Canada in 20 January and then this pandemic started, so I have to all of things was changing very fast, the rules were getting suspended. So at times I was very confused like what to do, which one to get. The CIP team was supposed to be there like guiding me at that point. So big thank you to sir and your team.
Thank you. Yatharth, I still remember talking to you and your friend who applied to you, very nice person, and he's already working in Saskatchewan in IT. Yatharth was very interested in big data and I was not really confident because of Conestoga. Their academic requirement for big data, they require an academic program relevant to big data. But Yatharth wanted to give it a try and we did apply. I was telling him I was worried that we might not get it. But fortunately he was approved and he is here. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Anurag. I'm from Gujarat. I'm also studying Big Data Solutions Architecture and I'm at the Conestoga College. I thank CIP for helping me with all the process and everyone.
Thank you. Anurag, long due to meet you. Anurag is from Mumbai. We talked extensively with him and is with Dad as well many times. And thank you very much for being all the way. Thank you very much for trusting us in the journey. And I'm glad to meet you. And as I said, when I walked in, you said you first after about my dad. Do convey my regards to your dad. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Vinay from Agra. So for most of you, he might be a sir or a person who helped me with the study. But for me, he's like a bro. I'm a kid known to get into trouble. You name it trouble, I'm in it.
Don't describe your troubles now.
So one person who always helps me get through my troubles as well.
No, Vinay, is a very, I still remember talking with Vinay. He's changed a lot in the last 3 years. He's not from this year, but from last year, but he's very close. He's a very warm, nice person. And he comes from Andhra Pradesh and he studied, I think, from Vijayawada, right? Vijayawada. Yeah, so very, very educated person, very good communication skills. He was shy initially and he used to call me and he was a bit lost in the telephone calls, but I'm happy that he is confident now and he is he's very good in studies. He's into networking and cyber security. so he's a very good student and very proactive. He enjoys learning all the cultures and the Canadian culture. So I'm glad that you're here, and thank you for coming. Thank you. Yusuf.
Sir, we can't hear it.
It's okay. Can you speak a bit loudly?
Shimin used to help me. I always called Shimin for help. and that's it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Yusuf. Thank you. Kerala, very nice place. In fact, I always remember Kerala is very special. My first person, my wife and me, when I first landed, we actually landed in Trivandrum. We traveled in Kerala for a week before I went home. It's nice, it's beautiful, and I'm looking forward to have more students from Kerala. So this is, Rubina. I'm not sure Rubina is there. Can you come here, please?
Hello everyone, my name is Rubina. First of all, I want to thank you, Gautam sir, and the CIP team for making the Canada dream come true. I have always wanted to come to Canada, but due to some circumstances, I couldn't. So basically, I was graduated in 2014 with a bachelor's in architecture, and soon after my graduation, I got 5 years of experience, and I got married. Then after we got married, we decided to move in Canada, and we straight away went to IDB, and it was like totally fish market. We couldn't find the exact consultant who can guide us, and we totally got disappointed. Then thankfully to one of my friends who suggested CIP, and straight away we went to CIP. And they motivated, and they said that you will definitely get the visa. So we filed then and there, and within 2 days we got a letter of acceptance, and within 10 days we got a visa. It was a great achievement for us, and I always owe you, sir, for making our dream come true. And also, even after coming to Canada, I always used to text sir, asking his suggestions, advices, and I irritated Gautam sir, but he never, he always replied my messages. So finally, I completed yesterday. It is like this event. I feel like this event is for my celebration that I completed my 2 years, and I really thankful sir for giving such a great service to our students and making our life thank you sir.
Thank you very much, Betty. Yeah, very lucky. Sometimes as we are only facilitators. We don't really do miracles. To be honest, it is God's will, and as we say, inshallah, you're here. It worked out. Yes, it was very quick with Rubina and Rahman. It was a great pleasure. Rahman was referred by one of us, Prashad, and everything happened within a week. And then Rahman, he was very proactive. He helped a lot of people as well. He was very proactive in a Facebook group. And one thing which I really appreciate, he comes from a very, a typical middle class family, and there were days when he actually started his career as a watchman, as a security guard. right? Brahman, hands off to you, and he's so much of determination and willpower. He's an architect, but he studied, he started his life as a security guard, then he worked in a cafe as a, manager, cafe manager, and the security, and here he made a miracle. Off protocol, he is now working for TELUS as one of the best employees as a business analyst.
And he's leading the team.
And he's leading the team. He's the team manager, and all he did in just 4 months. And give him a big clap. You want to ask?
Don't ask me, sir.
Don't ask the details.
Once I came here in Canada, I was recognized and he was recognized as Rubina's husband, but now I'm recognized as Rahman's wife. So it's great achievement for me, or I can say proud for me to be recognized. Thank you.
Rubina, I know great patience to you as well, as you said, under control. He's a very bossy guy, but still he always has to remember, because of you, he is here in Canada. So again, but again, as a wife and husband, good job both of you. So she is also now leaving her job in architecture and moving into business in IT as a BA.
Front-ender.
Front-ender. Oh, that's.
I think I need to get in touch with you. Again, thank you very much everyone here joining this session. Yeah, my journey is like similar to Gautam sir's journey. I was there in India, like worked in different multiple domains like Coffee Day. I started career as a security guard, it's true. And I worked for multiple companies. And I started my own company in Hyderabad called like interior company. And now also the projects are going on. There are 6 employees are working under my company. Simultaneously, I came here in Canada in March, around 6 months back. I remember that even I don't have any job, even I don't have any laptop with me. I brought my first laptop here. I purchased $1,000, which is supported by Gautam sir. It's true. I don't even have that. And I purchased a laptop with $1,000 supported by Gautam sir. And in that, I learned a few tools and started my journey as a business analyst, working since 3 months. Yeah, it's 3 months. Within 3 months, I got like a team lead position. So I'm so happy for that. So always I keep my roots where I came from. So I remember all those. So further is I'm just supporting team for the CAP as well as the students all over the globe, like whoever contacted me from Dubai, Pakistan, Bangladesh, many countries. I used to advise them what will be the process and all on the reality basis. Before connecting with the CIP, just I can say I contacted 7 to 8 consultancies. I don't want to take the names, but I spent around 2 lakh rupees for the process and all. They made us like, you just need to book a ticket. They just said, just book a ticket. I did, yeah, you will be in Canada within 6 months. I paid, yeah, ready the bags, paid the bags. Then we written like IELTS, I completed BASE, everything is done. At the end of the day, without PR, I can't take the flight, right? So, which is the career for the study path. The first person is Anil sir, Sushil, my dear friend Sibil, and Sushil, Gautam sir. After coming here, Sandeep is the man who ran the show, obviously.
Very true, very true, yes. And
He's the last guy.
Yeah. When I talked to him Sandeep first day, I thought like he will be a very great person. I mean, age person, something, or he knows everything, or I thought someone around 30-35 age, there will be a very senior advisor from him. Then after seeing him, then like he's like my brother. So felt So I mean,
Sandeep looks like that, but he's quite grown up.
So hardworking, Sibil, Nihil Bhai, and Sandeep, and Akila, Adiba, all, I have interaction with all of the CIP teams. I'm not the employee of the CIP, but I'm the part of the family CIP since last 1.5 years. So I wish to continue my journey for next, till I'm in Canada. I don't know how long I'll be in Canada, but I'll be supporting to CIP team. So I wish you all the students who are here, just have a support like a reality. What you have been experienced with the CIP, just mention the reality to others also who are coming. Dreaming for Canadian airport. Canadian anything. So thank you very much, everyone. Again, I want to give a last word. Thank you very much to Gautam sir to supporting me. I worked for 1 month in restaurant. I remember that here in May month. After that, I left that job and I started learning. I spent 4 months days and nights. Now I'm totally fine, and my wife also completed studies. I'm looking forward for PR process and all. Yeah. Thank you very much, everyone.
Yeah, thank you, Rahman. You're not going anywhere. You're in Canada. If you go, then you will only go with Elon Musk to moon or to space. So you're not going anywhere here. Yeah, thank you. $1,000 or $2,000, whatever we give you, to be honest, your sincere support and the trust what we have from you doesn't actually match any financial amount we have. Thank you very much. Rahman is in many Facebook groups, and every time anybody asks about study or spousal work permit, he says Gautam Kuluri at Sandeep or a Facebook or any other group. So he's been all the time, whenever he finds time, he's there supporting us. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Big clap to him, please. And I have a very special friend here. He is very special to me because he's from one of my favorite countries, Egypt. He's from Giza, the land of pyramids, and from his window you can actually see the Great Pyramids. Right? So please, he's from Egypt and he's studying in Conestoga. Very good, he's very special to me because we come from the same background. His dad is a lawyer, and my dad is also a lawyer. And he practiced law. He's a lawyer and he practiced. And one day his dad is a very big lawyer. He told his dad, I'm not going to do law. I'm going into IT, and he started learning IT himself. And he's now an IT developer, and one day he contacted me, and when he told me, I was very surprised because he comes from a well-to-do family and he took up such a challenge, and he's a very good software developer. He's a full-stack developer, front-end, and hopefully by the end of the course you'll be a full-stack developer. So thank you for coming in. Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Zaki. I'm from Egypt, Giza. I came today to my very special friend. I'm the first one from Egypt to apply with CIP. I was lucky to find this Facebook group. I just searched for Canada study permit visa. I found this group. I applied and I just asked about. I wrote some details about me, about my current job, my future career, and he replied for me to talk privately. I was lucky to get my Conestoga, admission in just 1 week for studying web development, and I got my visa in 1 month. Yes. He had some doubts because I'm not Indian and I'm the first one from Egypt to apply with him. So he said, if you are Indian, I would tell you 100% get the visa. You have very good background, career and background in education. And good career and financial stability. Financial stability is good, but we have some doubts because no one from Egypt applied with CIP before. But I was lucky to get the visa with my friend Dr. and just yesterday I got the open work permit for my wife also.
So congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. I hope soon to see a CIP office in Egypt. I will be glad to go because although we are not as many as Indian students here in Canada, but we are among the top 10 countries which have immigrants and international students here in Canada. So thank you so much.
Yeah, pleasure as well.
Thank you.
And, I'm glad that you finally got your family approved.
He welcomed me into his home. When I first came last May, I had this delicious Indian food for the first time. his home and see his kids and his family. And I wish the best for CIP in the future and for you as well, my friend.
Thank you very much. With you, I'm sure we can do it. Yes, and Anup.
Thank you. Hi everyone, I'm Anup and I'm from Bangalore. So I think we are gathered here. It's one of the blessings, I would say, because for the beauty of heart that he has, I mean, it's just service. I think in the future, I think that's very common that people say that you do good to others and you gain a lot of success. I think that's the only thing I wish for Gautam sir. With respect to my journey, I started back in January. I think there was no problem for me with respect to visa process. I think it was just because of college, definitely my application and all that stuff. I still remember the day when I was actually hesitant to talk to Gautam sir because I was wondering he's some big CEO and it's a little awkward. Maybe I should set up a one-on-one meeting. It would be very hard. I think when I contacted him, it was like any other brother or any other uncle who talks to someone and explains things. Don't call me. I'm sorry. Anyway, well, it was like that. I think after that, I also spoke to Anil sir. Sibin, I have to see where Sibin is.
Sibin, here.
So, he doesn't remember the name, but
I'm from Bangalore.
he doesn't remember me. But I have to tell, Sibin one day was somewhere in the town. I think he was purchasing something, I'm not sure. He picked up my call. I told him I had to pay fees and he stopped the car or I don't know where he was. He immediately took up the laptop and did that for me. I still can't forget that day. Yeah. He used to carry that. So I just want to give you this thank you card for that. So yeah, I wish everyone a great success. I think we all are blessed to be being CIP students. So yeah, more wishes to you and more success to everyone. Have a good day.
Thank you, and thank you very much. Pleasure talking to you as well. And I think there's one lady who hasn't actually, here, and I think two of her friends will be here as well. And I think then we can have, peacefully lunch and and then we have our Bihari Babu Lalu here.
My name is Monica. It's been only 3 months I'm here from Canada. Basically, yeah, from childhood I have a dream of studying abroad and all. But because of some Indian parents who always think you first marry and then go to whatever you want to do. So that happened with me. So I worked for 6 years in India, and then my parents agreed, okay, go study wherever you want. So then I don't have any idea about coming to Canada or anything. My friend, he suggested me the CIP consultancy, and Sushil, he was doing my application. He was literally like my brother actually. I was just continuously calling him, Sushil, do that, do this, and yeah, and finally I got my application done.
So Monica, thank you very much. It's again, as I said, Uma is here and Amrita is here. It's so difficult for married women to leave the family and come back. Hats off to you. Thank you. You're welcome. Eventually everybody will come. Now you can hold your responsibility. Thank you to do it.
Hi everyone. So I think you messaged me 1 year back.
1 year.
You messaged me 1 year back. Oh yeah, while you were applying. I think I got my visa at that time. You are married?
Yes, that's my favorite. Very, very, very pleasure to meet you. We haven't talked since here. Nice to meet you.
last time and I went back to India and so in February it was a long time all flights from India got back and I stayed there for about 8 months and that was the moment when I got in contact with Gautam sir and I even attended some of his Zoom calls. I'm not a very big influencer but I helped me a lot in processing my visa. I just
Remember me?
Yeah, I have also reached out to Sandeep and Moshin.
There's other candidate, Moshin, who went with you for the fashion
came back to Canada.
Khalid Mose. He's not came here?
He's in London. Punjab.
Which course are you in right now? Which intake you started?
Yeah.
No, I was Sai.
Your brother-in-law.
Yeah, my brother-in-law. He's like web development learner.
Okay.
Main intake.
Sharan.
He enrolled for the same but for the September intake. Web design and development 2 years course.
If you want any help or anything, just
Sorry?
give me. If you want anything, just give me a
Yeah. You are from Main Tech?
From Egypt.
No, from Main Tech? For Main Tech?
May, yeah.
I was for Main Tech, but I couldn't get my visa by that time. So I had to defer it to September.
September is not as us.
Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, guys, please enjoy your lunch. We have a very limited time here, so let's please have it.